So like on the Gann's vibration number, Gann square of 144. So all these things, if you can search in the Gann's literature, it is very difficult to get. One example I will show you here. So the square of 144, what you are going to learn, it is being taken from one literature of W.D. Gann. So which was with me for a prolonged period of time. So you can say here, I will just show you that literature. You can just make out of that how difficult these concepts are. But here what happens, very one 10 to 20% of people are serious enough. They want to learn something. So that was the, you can say, so that is a very small group of people. So they have real intent and interest to learn and make these things possible. So here, so this is actually, it is being typed by someone post Gann. It is not the Gann's era of typing, it is a computer typing. So this is clearly, these fonts are visible, the computer typings. So here you can say that it is speaking about the Gann square of 144. So it is saying that strongest point for time and price resistance is this. Triangle points are this. So it's again goes to square in the square of 144 is this. These are the numbers. So nothing is explained how these numbers has come from square of 144. Why these numbers are being important? Nothing has come. So also it speaks about the 45-degree angle, how it has a halfway point of the price time trend calculator, something it speaks about. So you can say that this is how the Gann's writings are. It is being copied, or it is being translated, or it is being typed by someone post Gann. But Gann's literature, it will be somewhat, you can say, that is typing machine, they have typed it. So hourly time period, great years, 9 space and 9 time factors. So all these headings are perfect. And green angle, how it, which one is called as a green angle, that concept also I have given in the complete course. Those who are having complete course, they can say, they can read through that, when to start a new square, what is the strongest weakest points, many things it speaks about square of 144. But the main factor is here also, it takes the leap year concept, that these are the leap years where, so you can have great significance of this Gann square of 144. So all these points, master square, how it has come, it speaks lot of things. But here, how those numbers has come, how this you can say this part of our calculations has developed out of that, that is nothing spoken about that. That's why that is the main demerit of many of the Gann courses. So what happens, 90% of the people, they do not understand what is Gann, what it is saying, what it is speaking about. So what happens, something they go on also, they also follow the same technique or trick of confusing more confusion, less result. That is what 99% of Gann course you will get. So here I used to categorically say which are the concept I understood thoroughly. I understood thoroughly, I applied thoroughly, I have experienced thoroughly. That things only I am telling you. You will get millions of courses on the name of Gann. Because all those millions courses is not going to give you one paisa benefit. You cannot get one paisa benefit out of that. So here also, maybe multiple thousands you will spend, but you won't get any stuff out of that. So that is how, that is why I used to say, very seriously learn this concept. You will be definitely get benefited out of that. And this concept, once you are learning, make practice it. Some calculation practice should happen. So without practicing, all this stuff is of no use. because if you are listening these lectures, some people are messaging that they are counting videos, how many videos happened, what is the hour of videos. So their contest is there, but what I have stopped what is being discussed there, that is they are no more bothered about, because very sarcastic arguments happens. Gann square of 144, and it will, you can predict the long term price trend and time trend, and multiple ways you can use it. So I will just put a foundation, multiple ways you can use it. Gann vibration number also you will learn. Universal formula for converting the numbers to degrees, because numbers to degrees you have understood about the Gann's square of 9 formula, you have understood about Gann's hexagon formula. There is a formula Gann has given to convert the price to degrees universally, means it is not a conversion of your square or conversion of your hexagon, it is universal by itself. What is its degree? So the number or the price is having a degree representations by itself, by self. So you can say that is also one part is there. So these are the things you are going to learn. So these multiple formulas what you are going to learn, that is, this universal formula has a great importance, very big importance, and it will change all your calculation to a great extent, improve your calculation, your forecast will improve to multifold. So that is what it has the ability to do it. Law of vibration, how we will add it with the square of 9 principle, that also I will tell you. And these are the very important concepts because they have to be taken very seriously. Fine. So start with Gann vibration number. So what is a vibration number? First, try to understand these things. Vibration number, and it is many Gann literature speaks about. I have forecasted this because of this vibration, that price vibration, angle vibrations, all these things. But what is a vibration number? Root number. It is the base number from where it has started. In fact, there is a long story that when Gann has come with this particular concept, he has visited India, he has visited Calcutta, he has visited Rajasthan, all these cities in the British era he has visited. Post that only all his innovations has come. So here there are some, though he has never mentioned that he has borrowed or utilized the Indian mathematical concepts, but it is a fact. It is being utilized from the Indian mathematical concept, whether he accept it or not. Fine. So here Ramkumarji is telling that square of 144 and vibration numbers are the brilliant works. Yes, indeed it is brilliant works. I will show you the proof today. You will get astonished what is the outcome of this particular vibration number is. So vibration number is a number, root number, which is being derived from that number. So you can say that it is a root number and it is being borrowed from the ancient numerological concepts. Like astrological concept, he has taken certain things. Here numerological concept, he has also taken something. So what he is doing, it is a very simple concept. So reduce the number to a single digit number, so that number is the root number. So here any root number, if you want to get it, so you can say that the root number of monthly high and low, then suppose this is the number, then you have to add all digits including the decimal places. If you are using 2 place decimal places, 2 place you have to add. If you are using 4 place decimal places, that also you have to add. If you are using 6 place decimal point, also you have to add. So all decimal points, everything you have to add, all single digits. After adding this all single digit, you are getting 32. You may get a 3-digit number also. Again you have to add these two things. Your aim is to reduce it to a single digit number. That is what you have to do. Once you get this single digit number, this is known as its root number, or this is known as its vibration number, single number which is being culminated by adding its single digit or the place value of the numbers, that is known as your root number. So now you will get enormous numbers. So whether these vibration numbers are true or not, that also you have to validate. So you can say certain proofs you can see here. August 2022 I have given, and you can go for 2023 also. Nifty part I have taken. This month also I will show you what is the high happened and how it is related. So you can say Nifty high August is 17,992.2. August low is 17,154.8. Monthly high and monthly low. If I reduce that, this is coming 3, this is coming 8. 8 is again 2 into 4, you can say that. So 8 means 2 and 4 also you can make it in that order. So here again, if you say September high, if you take this addition also gives 3. Again, if you can go for the October high, this addition gives 3. So here in this side also, if you go on adding, you are getting 8, 2 times 8, 1 time 5, 6, 7. So these are the numbers, but the repetition of 3 happens repeatedly. So the vibration number holds good in the high and low also. So these are the just basic part. We have to validate it also. The this is not the final outcome, but this is the root number. See how it matches. August matches, September matches, October matches. So here 3 plus 4 is 7. So here 2 also, because you can split it. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 7 into 1 also is 7. So 3 again appears a single digit number. So 8 also. 5 plus 3 is 8. So here 3 is there. So 5 is there. If you split this 5, this is 5 plus 3. 4 into 2. So by this process also, single digit units you have to derive. That is your vibration number. So now we have to calculate and predict. These are coming after effect, but we have to predict what will be the high and low. So that predictability we need. We need to predict what is going to happen the high and low. So here conclusion from this example say that vibration number is 3. Then so highest number of times you can say 8. So sum of vibration number 8 plus 3 11, 2 also a vibration number, 8 minus 3 5 also a vibration number. So conclusion 3 6 9 2 4 6 8 8, all these are the vibration numbers, single digit numbers. So now we have to validate it. So then validation of this vibration number plays a very important role. You have to find out the resistance from the monthly low and supports from the monthly high at 45-degree multiple angles. Means you have to find out 45-degree supports and resistances from the monthly high and low. Then find out the sum of digit and calculate the resistance and supports, match with the vibration number and its single digit multiples. So one is universal vibration number. So this is the steps you have to follow. So I will go to the Excel, it will be more clear. So here I am going for Gann vibration number. This Excel also I will share with you. So January, you can say January, February, September, you can come here. August data we are taking. August 2023, low was 19,223.65, high was 19,678.25. I have written a small macro with this. You have to reduce that to single digit number. So I have written a small macro function to get it. So here what I am doing, I am just reducing the 19,678 to a single digit number. If you add 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, if you just add these things, 1 plus 9 and so on plus 5, last is 0.25 is there. So it will reduce to 38. Again 38 should be reduced. 38, 8 plus 3 11, 11 should be reduced, it is 2. So high, the vibration number for the August high is 2. So this is the vibration number of August 2023. So August August high vibration number. So VB I am writing vibration or vibration number. August high vibration number is 2 August 2023. August 23. Same process if I reduced the number August low vibration number, if I can reduce, it is sum of digits, then this, then 1. So you got vibration numbers for high as 2 and vibration number for the low as 1. So this is the vibration numbers you got. So what will be the outcome? So this vibration of high vibration number is 2, low is 1, low is here 19,223.65. You can make a clean, neat and beautiful Excel sheets using this concept based on your requirement. So try to understand this concept. What we did August 2023, all higher value, lower value, all digits we have added, reduce it to a single digit number. One has come 1, another has come 2. So 1 is a universal number, it is multiplied with anything. So now 1 as it is will keep. If 2 is the vibration number for the high, then what are the other vibration number also will match? 2 multiple 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 into 4 8. So 2 into 5 is 10. Again it is becoming 2 digit number, so we require only single digit number. So now 1 and 2 are the direct vibration number. 4 6 8 also are vibration number. Those are the derived numbers. So this part is clear to all of you or not? Anybody has any query can ask me here. Bransuji. August high 19795.6. From where you got it? It is future price you are talking about? Nifty spot historic data. So that is always a dispute point. Some people takes. Let me check it. If I am wrong, I will correct it. So August, if I am wrong, I will take it. So here 8, 31st, 795.6, 620, 795.6. Then 795 will change. 6, I am wrong here. 795.6. 19795.6. So vibration number also will change. So here very pretty interesting things you are getting. Both are 1. So nothing will be there. So spot. So it is both are 1. So both are 1. Low is correct. Low is correct. So both are 1. If I change it to 19795.6, then both are 1. So no other vibration number will get 1 because 1 is universal. Once universal comes, you cannot multiply it with, because otherwise everything 1 to 9, everything will become a vibration number. If the sum of digit comes 1, then 1 will be the vibration number. If it is greater than 1, 2 comes, multiple of 2. 3 comes, 3, 6, 9. 4 comes, 4 and 8. 5 comes, 5 alone. 6 comes, 6 will be there. Then 6 multiple will not be there. 6 half will be there, 3. So 3 will be there, 6 will be there. Then 6 plus 3, 9 will be there. So 9 is there, means 9 will be there. 9 half you cannot take a full number. Again 6 plus 3, 3 also will be there, 6 also will be there. So here vibration number, suppose you can say sum of digits are 9. Can you tell me what is the vibration numbers? 9 himself will present here. Then what are the other vibration numbers? If the sum of digits are 9, this is very important. If you do not do that, you cannot able to utilize this concept. If sum of digits are 9, so what will be the vibration numbers? Please make it very clear. 9 is the sum of digit, means 3 into 3 is 9. So 3 can be a vibration number. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 6 can be a vibration number because 3 is already taken. So 1, 9, 3, 6 will be your this thing. Not like this. It is not 9 minus 1, 9 minus 3 plus 6. It is not equation you are doing. Only that number you are splitting. 9 is a number should be splitted. It is not a equation can be derived by this process. 1 to 9, everything will come in that equations. So 9 can be derived in many. If you put a long equations, that also go for all numbers will occupy. Very clearly try to understand it. Otherwise it will become a fun stuff. It have no use. No use you will get out of that. So that is why very clearly understand this part. 6, if it is a 6, you can say yes. Deepak ji is asking 6 is the number. Sum of digits is 6. So what will be the vibration number? 3 into 2 is 6. So 1 is almost, it is universal, it will be there. 3 into, so 6 is already there. So 6 is the direct. Derived will be 2 and 3. So say 2 into 3. So you can say again, you can split into two things. You can make it 5 plus 1. 1 is there, 5 also can come. You can again split into 4 plus 2. 6, 2 is there, 4 also you can bring. So 4 also you can bring. Addition also you can bring. 4 into 2 also you can. 3 plus 3 is there, 6. 3 also is there already. So these are the 5 also will come. 5 plus 1 also is there. So 5 also will come. If it is a 6, you will get 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by this process, you can not equation, only splitting in addition terms or in the subtraction terms. So this process only one split is allowed, not equations. So that is so 7 is the things, means 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 and 4. So then 5 plus 2 is 7. So 2 also will come, 5 also will come. So 2 and 5 also will come, 2 and 5 also will come. So 1 plus 6 also 7. So 6 also will be coming. So this additions only splitting. So these are the vibration numbers you will get. However, so this part you have splitted. So one set of vibration number is coming from multiplication. Splitting the number into multiplication of a into b is giving you that things, and you are considering a and b are two vibration numbers. Some vibrations, your numbers you are getting a plus b. So where a plus b, and this can change, and addition process also you are getting one set of vibration number. So one set of vibration number through multiplication process, one set of vibration number from addition process. So addition process, not subtraction process. There is no subtraction allowed, no division allowed. So addition process, multiplication process you are getting. However, the vibration number which comes from the multiplication process is more valid. So here, if you say 7, I will consider 1 and 7. 3, 4, 2, 5, 6 are can be considered, but these are not important vibration number. They will be kept for studies, just for observations. So only through addition process, multiplication process, no division, no subtraction process. That is, only addition and multiplication will be allowed. Why? Subtraction process, it says that reductions. Division process is called splitting of these things, or subdivisions of this thing. So it is a part, you are already reducing it to a single digit number. If you make it, so it will go to the inner circle of the sphere. So here sphere is the main part. So geometrical figure, sphere is being utilized, not circle. Sphere, football is sphere. So in sphere, it will go to inner circle. So for that, subtractions and divisions are not allowed, because you want to be in the outer circle. So here, addition process, whatever the numbers you are getting, for time being, when you go very deep into subject, want to identify each and every point, you can consider, but these are very weak resistance and points. However, multiplications points are important. So multiplication points Gann has accepted many times. This addition processes he has never accepted. So, but sometimes he has used, very remotely he has used. Fine. So now we got to understand what is vibration number. How to get the vibration number, we got it. Now question comes here. Now what we are going to do? We have to calculate resistance. What resistance? From the low we have to calculate the resistance. Like 223, I will take the square root of these things. 45-degree angle factor whole square. So I will get all this resistance first cycle, second cycle, third cycle. Same way the supports can be taken from the high minus this thing. Take first cycle, second cycle, all these things. Now I will be finding out all this resistance and supports I found out. Then my vibration number will come into picture. My vibration number will come into picture. So here my vibration number is 1. So which are the resistance and support as coming as 1? So this is also 1. So this top is considered as one of the high. Then I am coming to 19,571. This is also 1. Then I am coming to 20,064. This is also 1. So 20,064 I am coming 1. Then I am coming to anywhere else the 1 is there. No other places is 1. No other places I am getting 1. So 1 is universal. Everything is multiplied with the 1. So supports here. This is 1. This is also 1. See here, anywhere I am getting this resistance and support calculation. Mark wherever you are getting 1. So here too also 1. So some places if I skipped it, you can see all ones I have skipped here. So all ones I have marked here. Here too also I have marked every one. So nothing I left. So here all these ones I have marked. So these particular things, how we are calculating? August law, square root of August law added with 45-degree angle factor, take the double multiple or square. This is the first one. Second one, same process, 90-degree will be taken, 45 multiple, 45 for 90, 45 into 3, like this way, 360-degree, one cycle over. Then second again 45. So here it has ended with 19782. It will start with 19782. So this process will continue. I have taken 4 digits and some places 5 digits. Whatever the 4 digit, 5 digit I have taken, I will be on that 4 digit or 5 digit I am calculating. So I have not rounded up it to 2 digit terms. If you rounded up to 2 digit terms, you may get more accuracy, because here our Nifty trades in the 2 digit terms. It is never traded in the 3 digit terms. So when you are taking currencies are trading at 5 digit terms. So you can take it 5 digit terms. So it starts with 45, multiple of 45, 360-degree. Why 45 and 360-degree? Again recall what I am telling, it is being derived from the sphere. Why sphere, why not cone and other things? So it is saying that if your earth, what is rotating, you are in the object on the earth also is a spherical object. Earth is not a flat object, it is a sphere. It is like a football. So it is, that's why spherical object is being utilized here. So all ones you have marked here. So after marking all these ones, so you got here 20,064, 20,135, 20,206, like this way you got. So how? Because this is we have taken it for, so we have taken it for Nifty. So I will be using a round function here. So because Nifty we have taken, so 2 decimal point if you make it, so like this you will get, this is also 2 decimal point also gives the like this. So all this you can say many places one more one also surfaced here because of this two decimal points. So here too what happens, we will be taking here. So then now also you can use, because Nifty never trades in the 4 decimal points. So 4 decimal, if you reduce by 2 decimals, your vibration numbers also going to change. So I am going to reduce it. So here you can say two more, one subsurfaced. So now you can say here two also I will be making at the, so round function, why I am using? Why I am using round function here to reduce to a 2 decimal places? Can anyone will tell me why round function I am using? Because Nifty in India we are trading at trading at 2 decimal points. So 2 decimal points. So here this is the August low, August high. So by this process here too also I am using round function. So round function and reduce it to 2 decimal point. Because we are trading, the instrument is at a 2 decimal trading happenings there. So if you use the round function 2 decimal. So once the Excel will be given, every bit of price you can inspect, you will find out. So here round function and comma 2. Nifty, bank nifty also. But when you are using for currency and all, use 4 decimal or use as it is. So here what happens? By this process of reducing the numbers, by this process of reducing these things to a 2 decimal, many more ones also has come here. You can say this one as present. So it was there and it is now also there. So here one more one we got, because that is the reduction is giving 1. Both are giving 1. So 1 is universal. So no other values we can get. So here 2 also ones you got. So you got these parts are ones. So trading at a 2 decimal point, we have taken 2 decimal point. So there is the tops are being already formed. What is the top it has formed so far? Top, what is the top it has formed? 20,222.45. This is the what the top has formed, or any other top has formed. So you can say what is the top in the so far formed in the Nifty? 20,222.45. This is what happened. 20,222.45. So now 20,222.45, it is universal. So universal means that one also will be part of that 22,222.45. If I can reduce that number, 17 again comes to 8. 8 is your universal. 8 is your, the now coming the high, whatever has come, it is 8. 8 means 1 is there, 4 is there, 2 is there, multiplication 4 into 2. So 1, 2 and 4, these are the things will be the vibration numbers. So for the high, current high which has been formed, you can say what was expected high for us, though it is with a spike it has gone. So few points, you can say we have a high, we got what? 20,135 was the high. Next high was 20,206.45. It is the high. This is the high we have expected. It should come 20,206.45. That was one. Now it has come to 20,202.45. So you can say thus 10 to 15 point deviation happened. It may be a spike, and that spike has happened and toss that and come back. But calculated from the August low, the high what you have calculated, it is the value is coming 20,135, 20,206. If this high crossed, what will be the next high? Can anyone will tell? When 19,711.99 this price crossed, so we are expecting the high to be 20,135.45. If this crossed 20,206.45, very closely they are sitting. For example, if it crosses 206.45 and maintain, what will be the next high as per vibration? Look at this calculation and tell. I want everyone should tell this, because this is of this for how it is maintained. This vibration is maintained 206 above. It has closed for at least 2 sessions. 2 sessions. If it is closed above 206.45, it will make 491.75. This is the high expected. 563.35, it is the low high expected. So beyond that, you can again go on for fourth cycle, fifth cycle and all. So second cycle, it has surrendered. 206.45 was expected. 222.45 it has come. 222.45 it has come. So this is what it has come. You can say there is a 5 here. Instead of 5, if you make 40 paisa here, it is coming 3. So if you make it 30 paisa, 25 paisa here, so you can reduce it. So you can make these things to be 1 also, because it is a universal number came. So we are lucky enough that August high and low both given a number 1. So it is universal. So it is universal. So universal any universal number is any derived calculations, 45 multiple calculations should be there, and the sum of that digit should be 1. If it is giving 1, then these are the these are the supports, you can say that, sorry, these are the tops it can make. Now come to the bottom part. So this is one bottom. Second bottom is, so here you are seeing any bottom, this is the another bottom. 19725 goes on and on. There is other coming here 1. Any other place 1 is there? No other place is 1 is there. So it can go to the 5 places also. Now you are 19725. It is, you have already broken. So you are below that or struggling in that level. Yesterday you would have observed. Yesterday anybody has observed this 725 was how important yesterday. So 7 yesterday was, it is September 2022. How important was 725, 19725? You would have observed. So 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 725 was how important, you would have observed. Now 657, it has come here. 657, 90-degree level, it has 675, and you can say 657. 657 is also one of our calculations, 655, but this is not mapping with the vibration number. 5 it is coming. We want 1. 1 means if it is, it has, if that stiff correction happened, 18822 also possible. That is also there. Vibration number. So I have given here January 2023, August, September, October, November, December, January. All months you select, you will get 90% of the cases. 90% of the cases, these calculations will match and respect well these vibration numbers. 90% of cases. 9 to 10 months you can get it. Suppose if you want a intraday high and low, you cannot go with the 45-degree multiple. So you have to go start with 7.5-degree multiple. 7.5, 15. So Gann angle, all things 15, 30, or 7.5 into 2, 7.5 into 3, 7.5 into 4, 7.5 into 5, including 7.5 degrees. You can calculate all these things. Same process, high and low, intraday high and low. You can take, or previous days high and low you can take, and calculate the top and bottom for the next day. Got it? So you can get the 22nd September's data, high and low you can take. Angles you should change from 7.5-degree multiple. 7.5 degree is y, 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. 7.5 degree equal to 7.5 degree into 4. So 20, so 30 degrees. So 7.5 degrees equal to 30 minutes. So half an hour, smallest cycle, smallest minute cycle in terms of time is 30 minutes, half an hour in trade. Any price stabilize for half an hour, it converts to be a strongest resistance or support. That is why 7.5 degree. 7.5 degree multiples you have to take. Same way you have to calculate the resistance and supports. Match the vibration number. Intraday top and bottom also you can calculate. Some 10 to 20 points of deviations it will achieve. So now 57 is calculated, 55 has come, though it is not vibration number. So it is not vibration number, but still it is, it is not a vibration number, but still it is, you can say 5 it is coming, 5 it is coming. So 1 you have only value is coming 1. So 1 means universal, nothing you can multiply, nothing you can add. So this process of vibration number is being derived in this order, and it can be utilized in number. You have to find out from a swing point, a high, a low, a monthly high, a monthly low, a yearly high, a yearly low. So then 45 multiples for monthly. You have to go for 300, 360 degrees. Intraday, 7.5 degree multiples you have to go for intraday levels. So intraday levels. So now if you want to go for weekly levels, go for 5 cycles or 7 cycles in intraday, 7.5 degree multiples. If you from monthly cycle, if you want to go for yearly cycles, so you can say that yearly is 12 months. So you have to go 12 cycles. By this process, 12 cycles. Previous year's low and high you have to take. From there, you go with 12 cycles. 12 cycles completed, it will enter to a mega cycle, means again 12 cycles you have to go on meeting it. So yearly also you can utilize. So vibration number can be utilized in any form. So that is what. So intraday, starting with 7.5 degree multiples you have to start. 7.5 to 360 degrees. 7.5 into 7.5 multiples you have to go on. So it will be a very long things, because why that 7.5 we are taking half an hour time cycles we are splitting till 360 degrees, or you can restrict at 180 degree and go for a second cycle, that also you can do. So 7.5 degrees, 7.5 you can go for a 180 degree, restrict it because one day movement is 180 degrees, then you can move to next cycle. Coming to the next topic, this is also very important topic, square of 144. As I have told you, millions of Gann literatures you can find it out. So I must thank you, Mr. Deepak ji, who has given me a lots of Gann literatures, though many of things I had. But here, one thing very careful, since anything works, also having a greater chances of exploitation. Anybody is a good talent, he will get exploited. Anybody is having a good athlete also will get exploited. So exploitation is only goes to the talent. Wherever the value is there, many people's attention will be dragged towards that. So there what happens, exploitation starts. So there you can say, be careful while learning the Gann. So that is very important. Gann has not spoken a single word out of mathematics. I have shown you one literature, though it is being typed by someone else. So if though it is being typed by someone else, but think about that literature, what it speaks. So very, very important things it speaks about. Square of 144. It is telling about what? 1/4, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8. Complete square of 144. What one person can understand out of this? Tell me. This 72, 144, 36, 40x, 96, 108, blah, blah, blah. What one can understand out of that? Triangle points. Square in the square of 144. These are the numbers, how it has come. So then calculation comes. So these are the Gann way of writing. It is Gann way of writing. But what we want? We want a concrete solution from where it has come. Why these numbers have been derived? What is the 36, 45, 144? How it has been derived? That is very important. Simply you can mug up. You can say that I can mug it up. I can repeatedly read 36, 45, 54, 63, 71. This is a process to remember. My God, how many these things you will mug up like this? It is a brain or it is a dustbin. So these are the things are very important. So if you understand, value comes from there. So here Ram Kumar ji is following, and he has also sent a things message. I will send it to you. So I will share with you. 144 has come from the Jupiter cycle. So 144 has comes from Jupiter cycle. Jupiter orbits the sun once in every 11.86 Earth years. That's why number 12 also came. So Earth days, this is one rotation to complete. It takes, we are completing at 365 days one rotation. Jupiter completes because its orbit is very long and it is completing 11.86 Earth years. Means 12 years it takes to complete one circle around the sun. It is fifth planet in the orbit, so half also important because you have 9 planets, so it is almost coming 4.55. Each day in Jupiter is 10 hours. We are Earth day is 24 hours, so 10 hours. So 10 division also required. So square of 44 is 12. So 12 into 12 is 144. So from the Jupiter's Earth year, this square of 144 has come. So 12 rounding 11.86 to nearest whole number 12. 12 into 12 is 144. That's why it is called as square of 144. Then earth hours is 10. So here, so 10 hours one complete rotation happens. So here 3, 6, 3, 9 and 10, 10 time cycles is being derived from the 144. I'll tell how it is being derived, that also I'll tell. 10 time cycles we are giving. So it is the fifth planet in the earth, so half is important. So this half also will be using. So in return it says square of 144. 144 is the termination number. It is the fifth planet in the system, so it is almost at the half. So you need to derive a time cycle, 10 numbers, by reciprocating with half half. That I will show it in the Excel. This is how square of 144 evolved. Square of 144 evolved. Then square of 144, what we can do? We can do price estimations, time estimations, both the things we will do. And this square of 144 is being widely used by many of our traders, like Mr. Ramkumar ji is in today's webinar. He also has a square of 144. He has time cycle. See here, cycle, off cycles, down cycle, everything he has calculated. You can see here time cycles, price cycles he has calculated, and his calculations has 20,222.45. Look here, 20,222.45. You will get astonished how he has got. Just give me a couple of seconds. 998 point difference, cycle 1, cycle 2, everything he has taken. And from here now retracement is happening, falling back. So see where it is going. 660 has come. Now according to him 473 also should come. Time cycle, price cycle, excellent things. You can see he is following it for a long period of time. So here August. So August he has made it 19,234.4, 757 point depth. So this also match, and many times also in the Gann group also I have given it. You can say it is also one more he has said here. You can say how perfectly it works. How perfectly it works. You just have a look here how perfectly it is having. Fine. So now going to that Excel, how we can do the square of 144 calculations. Gann vibration Excel also will be given to you. Square of 144 calculations. So here What you understood? What you understood? The cycle Gann square of 144 is a 10 cycles. Fifth planet Jupiter. Jupiter take 12 years. That's why it is 12 square is 144. So that is Earth month is 12. Jupiter's one round around the Earth's entire month is 12. Jupiter's one complete revolution around the sun is 12. So see the relationship. How intelligently God has crafted the universe. A great engineer cannot craft such a with such accuracy. So 144. So first we have to take half. So half of 124 44 is 144. 10 numbers we require. Half. Then another half we have to take. So 72 divided by 2. That is how 36. So that is how. So I'll little bring it down. So 144, and here I can put 144 half. This is how 72 came. How 36 came? 72 divided by 2. So you found out how 36, 72, 44 came. How many numbers we required? How many numbers, time cycle numbers we required in 144? Square of 144? 3 numbers we got. How many time cycle numbers we required? Quickly answer. If you have heard it properly. 3 we have already got. 7 more we have to get. Total 10 we required. 10 total 10 we required. What we required? Total 10. So here 36 you got. So now half 36 plus 72 divided by 2. 36 plus 72 divided by 2. But so 36 plus this 72 divided by 2. What it is coming? Why it is coming like this? Bracket is missing. So this misplacement of bracket is creating all this. 54. Again, here too also we have to do like this. So now we are going to derive number one by one. So this process will continue. Only one part will be little difficult is there, 108. So how many are got now got? Now you got 5 numbers. So 108 you got 144, 72, 54, 36. 54, 36 you have got. Now you go to the mid of this 54, 36. So 5 numbers you got. 36 plus 54 divided by 2. 45 you got. So 45 also came. So all that Gann what he is talking in that particular literature, you are finding out one by one, that too by understanding, not by mugging up. 63 also came, 54 also came. So here we are completing 1 2 3 4 5. So top side. So from 17 to 36 our 5 numbers completed. So now we will be going here. So here one extra number we required. So 72 plus 108 divided by 2. This is 190. So this also we required. 108 plus 144 divided by 2. Divided by 2. So totally how many numbers came? Count. So here 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers has come. Now the 10th number is very important. 10th number is very important. So here we have two choices. Two choices. Either we should take the mid of this, or we can take the mid of this. So mid of this, why I am taking 72, 90. 72, 90. I can take 90 and 108 mid also. I can take 108 and 126 mid also. I can even take 126 and 144 mid also. But what I am choosing here, 72 and 90, because square of 9 also having 9 into 9. 81 elements. So that is why I'm taking here 81. So by this process, 10 elements are completed. So this is how time cycle, square of 144 time cycle has come. Square of 144 time cycle has come here. This is the time cycle. Now we have to get the price cycle. Time cycle is what? 10, 144, 12. 12 is the time, 12 years it is taking to rotate. So 12 square is 144. So anything derived from 144 is a time cycle. So it is not price cycle. So we have to derive the price cycle. So it is derived from whom? 144. Any mid, whatever has, but its base parent is 144. 144, half, half, half. So fifth planet, that's why half. So half, 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 we got this thing. Price cycle will be dividing these numbers with 144, price cycle. So 36 divided by 144. 45 divided by 144. 54 divided by 144. By this process, we will divide everything. So 144 will come to 1. So this is what is our price cycle. This is price cycle. This is the time cycle. Understood this price cycle and time cycle? Or we will go for the forecasting price calculation. So 998 point of 998 point price range we required. What is the price range? It has come 998.8. So this 998.8 from where come? Ramkumar ji can answer or anybody else can answer. I am going to take a price range, multiply with this. What is this 998.8? High minus low. Difference of high minus low. So here it is will be given. Only thing help you concentrate. Without concentration, nothing. So now what happened? This price cycle you understood, time cycle you understood. Now we required price forecast. Price forecast we have taken. High and low. High and low. Which high low we have taken? So here, what is the high low we have taken? 20,000 to now, currently. 20,000. Now we are into this month. Something happened 20,242, 25 and 45. It has come 998.48 price points move happened. So if we take that high and that low together, so if considering this is the, so considering the 998 point of price move for which month happened? September, this month only. This low is from which low? This month's low. Which low? 222.45, this month's high. This is the low. So 19,222.63. This month's low, this month's high. You can go on adding. So this price cycle multiplied with the price range it has given. You can take previous month also. So current month we are taking. So we got 222 point this thing. Now retracement is happening. So this, after attending this high, price is falling. What is happening? 20,222.45 high happened. Now it is falling back. Falling back. This price cycle 665 level it has come here. Now if it is falling back where it has the probability to touch 19,473 also. So this is surrendering the off cycle 1. Surrendering the off cycle 1. If it is surrendering the off cycle 1, suppose it is surrendered this part, then next 384, 224, then 873, like this way it will go on. So this has many meanings, and what Gann has spoken in this one particular document, what I have shown: 1/4, 1/3, 2/3, 3/8, again 1/2, 5/2, 3/8, 7/8, 1. These all things, if you take it out, this also you can say these are the numbers you will get. Couple of things is not matched here. Mine is 45, it is coming 48. So somewhere I am getting that 90, he is getting 96 to third. So this part may not match. Couple of things, 96, 33, 48. So as I said to you, ambiguity exists between this half. What half will be taking? So here 45 degree is a very prominent thing. So I should take 45. Why should I take 48? So 36 is correct. 48, one third he is taking 48. So that I am disputing on that. 54 he is taking, I am taking. 96 I am not at all taking, I am taking 90. Then why should I take 96? Two third. So I am not taking. So these are also some dispute points are there. Dispute points are there, but this is the correct way. What that document speaks about, maybe through the typing process, this two third, one third is being infused into that. Forcibly it has put into that. It may not be by Gann. It may be by someone else who is giving only 9 numbers, 1, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. So I am going for 10 numbers. Why 10 number I am going for? Because it is 10 Jupiter days, 10 hours per day. So 9 is nowhere. So there is no 9 hours in Jupiter. If it is taken from Jupiter cycle, it must be 10 hours. Why should 9? So this 1 half, 5 half is also little bit of disputing part. Second factor is here. There is a Gann angle concept which is taking 11 trend line concept. So 11 trend line concept. So one is mid, you can say, you can one by one is mid. So if you just ignore it, then there is 10 trend lines present. So Jupiter hour is 10. So here too also time cycle we can get it. So 9, 18, 36, 46, 72. How it has come? How it has come? So dividing it by 144 divided by 16. So here also 144 divided by 16. 144 divided by 8. So here too 8. So 36. So these are the numbers. So these numbers is of what importance it makes? Because in this sequence there will be a trend change date. So now timing part we'll see. What is timing part? Fine. So we got all this Gann, this one square of 144 numbers 36, 45, 54, 63. These are all time cycles. So now two different ways I can do it. Number one way. First, from the year, very carefully listen to this. From the year when we are starting of the month, January 2nd was the first trading day. From that day, I will count 36 trading days. 36 trading days. So 36 trading days I can count. So here it comes to 36 here. 36 first is here. So 36 trading days if I can go for. So 36 trading days. So there is here February 21st there will be a trend change will happen. That is what it says. 36 trading days. If I go with the calendar days, then 7th February there is a trend change date is happening. So by this process, if I can go on adding trading days and calendar days, so calendar days is more preferable here. So I can find out the trend change dates from the first day of the year. So I can get the long-term trend change dates which is going to happen for entire year. Or which day the low has found. So this is the 3rd January the low has found. Taking 3rd January, same process 36 calendar days from the 3rd January if I can count, I can get all these days the trend change date will happen. So monthly sometimes 3-4 trend change date will come. Sometimes so sometime it is you can say 7. So here 7 February you can say 2nd January the trading started, first day 2nd January. 36 days from here, 36 calendar days, not trading days, 36 calendar days falling on 7th February. Here the trend change will happen. It will be followed with 1 or 2 days. You can say long-term trend change date. These are not the short-term trend change date. So you can say there is a So 585, 694, there is a consolidation happen here. Then there is a good period of uptrend started. So uptrend started, and you can say till 16th February it has come. 16th February till 16th February it has continued, or 16th or 17th February. So 17th February you can say here one trend change happening. 17th February. 16th close is positive 18,000. There is a great fall happen. So on these days, the trend will change, trend will alter. So it differs by 1 to 3 days. So whenever these counts you are deriving, I do not know the exact reason. However, this differs by 1 or 2 days. That's all. So differing some by 1 or 2 days, not more than that. So this is about the timing forecast in the square of 144 and the pricing forecast of the square of 144. And you can see one one participant or old participant, Mr. Manish ji, is working in this concept day and night, and he is going to relate between the price and time, and a lot of iterations he is doing. He is sending these things, and definitely he will find out some breakthrough, and once he shares, I will also share with you people. So this is how timing forecast can be done. So two things: time cycle divided by 144 gives the price cycle. That ratio multiplied with the price range it has happened for that particular month or the previous month. So you can forecast for the next previous month. If you are take the previous month, forecast it for the next month, forecast it for the next month. So for August price range you can take August low, August high you can take, you can forecast for the September, or September you can take, you can say the retracements, how retracement is happening. So that I have shown you how Ram Kumar ji is tracing for month on month basis, and nicely he is achieving those targets that you have seen that. So this is square of 144. Part is over. Now one small concept we will find it out. Then not time range. You are multiplying with price cycle ratios. So now one small concept we'll discuss and end the session. Tomorrow remaining things will be taken. Gann's universal degree formula. Great formula. Taken near to 5 to 7 years for me to decode it, to understand this formula. And this is the first time in the entire Gann webinar you are going to learn this. Gann universal degree formula. That means when you are in the square of 9 principle you are converting that particular number to a degree, considering geometrical figure as a square. When you are using the hexagon, one more formula. Universal means that price itself is having one specific degree associated with that. So that degree cannot be taken from the price, that will be taken from the price change. In a day, how much price change has happened? In previous day, what is the price change happened? So then arctan function you have to take, arctan tan inverse 1 divided by tan inverse 1. Arctan function you have to take, multiply with the 180 divided by pi. So that will give you the universal degree of this thing. Universal degree means that is nothing to do with the square of 9, nothing to do with the square of hexagon, nothing. Price itself having a degree, that degree you will get. This is also goes with the 4-dimensional figure. So how to calculate universal degree? So first one is a wrong one, second one is a right one. So you can say this month it is a 998.8 price point happened in the month of September. Yesterday there is 139.45 high minus low. High minus low of 22nd September is 139. Then previous 30 days high minus low is 998.880. That is from August 24 to September 22nd. So these values, if you take it, it is 7.94 degrees, which is wrong. This is wrong. So this very carefully you have to say. You are taking a monthly high minus difference, monthly high minus low difference with respect to the daily high minus low difference. So that is wrong. This should not be taken. What is the correct way of universal degree conversions? They are previous day to current day. So previous day arctan, previous day means the 21st or 21st September, what is the high minus low difference, and 22nd, what is the high minus low difference. Arctan multiplied with 180 divided by pi, it will give you previous days basis 45 degree. 45 degree is what? Nifty is at a 45.13 degree trend line. So that is what it is telling. So price in the same degree trend line can be found out in this order. So where you have closed 19674 added with 45.133 into 138 previous days price range 138.8 divided by 180 into pi. Using this formula you can get all resistance. Similar way subtracting you will get all support. So this is a universal degree formula. Universal degree formula. So there are two ways. If you want to get the monthly universal degree formula, what you have to take? You have to take August month's price change divided by the September month's price change divided by August month's price change, multiply with 180 divided by pi. So that you have to do. And price, starting price, any closing price or opening price into degree, what degree conversion you are getting, multiplied with price range divided by this part. Carefully you have to put the brackets, so you will get the different resistance and supports. So this is how the Gann universal degree conversion formula plays out. So this is a different formula as such. Never take the price, never take the rotation concepts. It take from the price range, what kind of vibration created, what kind of price depth created. From there it defines the degree. So here how this one is: previous month, current month price change, previous day, current day, previous week, current week. So by this process you can divide. So current week price change divided by previous week price change multiplied with 180 divided by pi, and there should be arctan, one arctan function you have to take. So this has the, this is known as the, so based on your requirement. So suppose previous day today you are taking, valid for the next day. If you are taking previous week next week, then it valid for 1 week. So by this process you can calculate the universal degree. So, so universal degree has to be calculated. So this starting price should be open price or previous day's closing price or current price, and the degree what you have converted multiplied with price range. What is that price range? That particular day what is the price change? That particular week what is the price change? In divided by 180 by pi. Same way if you subtract you will get the supports. So more on that tomorrow we will discuss. Two more. Take it very seriously. You need not have to hunt millions of courses. No course will tell you the formulas. Like you have two choices while learning the Gann. Learn authentic Gann or do not learn. So authentic Gann is what? Authentic Gann is what? The way I have shown you this thing. Grand Gann. This is the square of 144. This is square of 144. Try to read and understand. Or this square of 144. You understand. Which is easy, you define. Which is easy, you define. Original literature. Others are fake. So all this is the only one literature of Gann's square of 144. No other literatures you will find out. One is for leap year. Seasonal. Subhanshuji is telling seasonal. Seasonal. Seasonal means any agri commodity, anything seasonal patterns like your cement stocks, like your, because they are seasonal stocks. fertilizer stocks, cement stocks, agri commodities. Hexagon is useful. So, however, certain things are universal. You can use your vibration number, universal. Anywhere you can use. Square of 9, universal. Anywhere you can use. So this is how its utility differs. Same Bolero car is there, Bolero goods moving vehicle also there. Same engine having two different purposes. So that is how you should understand. Don't be selective on studies. If you want to progress in market, don't be selective on your studies. Where you should be selective? Selective in trading, selective in losing money, selecting in stopping bad habits. While coming to the select study, don't be selective. Don't be while studying, while earning money, don't be selective. Tata, if it is selective, then why Tata is producing salt, needle, also aircraft. If he is selective, then Tata cannot become Tata. His mind is broad, his business is broad. So think in that order. Don't selective in food. Eat every food, whatever you like. It is not compulsion. Food should not be selective. No one should dictate your food. Any food. You like non-veg, eat non-veg. You like veg, you eat veg. Everything you eat. Don't selective. So same way, like with likingness, eat all foods. With likingness, study everything, whether it's right or wrong. Same way, earning also same thing. Don't get satisfied. Okay, 5,000 comes happy. No, you dream for 50 lakhs, dream for 50 crores. That is good, but not a daydream. Work for that. A trade without hedging. Hedging is must. All this analysis is one side, study purpose, implementation purpose. But money management comes from hedging. You have these participants makes a great difference. I must thank to them. Must thank to them. You all must thank to them. Because of them, these concepts exist today. They refine these concepts. They test it with multiple years of these things, with interest, with no compulsion, with interest, with proper vibrations. You can see their interactions, their energy levels, their interest in that. You can see this. Ram Kumar ji has sent many messages, and not now. You can say he's many months. The day he has learned, from that day onwards, he is sending. June 2021. Then it has come to July. July also he has sent. June 28. Again he has sent. Here he sent. Here he sent. September again for your program he sent. So same process Manish ji is working. He is telling, can I correlate with this? Can I do this thing? That gives you a thrill, you can say. So so these are the things they learned. But one group, what I want, shortcut way, some money should come, forget it. So at least take it as a concept, learn it, predict something, grow something. That is important. Experience in front of your eyes. You will be empowered. You will be happy. You will be thrilled. So these are the things. It will come to as a practice. You will not be fearlessly. You will be doing a trade. That is more important. Not 16 by 144. So that part try to understand. So this is 144 is what? 144 is a time cycle. So every 36 days, 45 days, 54 days, 63 days, there will be a trend change can happen. So if it's in terms of days, so same process, if there is a high happen, there is a high happened at a specific 1 minute candle. In the 36th candle, there will be a retracement. 1 minute candle. 45th candle will be a retracement. 54th candle will be a retracement. So that based on your time frame, what time unit you are taking, based on that you can utilize.